Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet at WIGSTUDIO1. Today, we're going to take straight from the box an ESTETICA style called Brooklyn in the color 61327. I purchased this wig style with my own funds. You can find it at WIGSTUDIO1. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I will attach a direct product link there. It'll be labeled Find ESTETICA's Brooklyn at WIGSTUDIO1. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site. You can look at all of the colors and the pricing. Brooklyn is going to be sort of a shoulder grazing wavy bob style. So it's not too long, it's not too short. And there goes the net. It has some really nice cap features too. So you're gonna see a hand-tied extended lace front and full single monofilament top. Okay, so I just took the tag off, that's all I did. And while we have it inside out, let's check out this cap. ESTETICA does a fabulous lace front. It's extended, it's nicely contoured, it's beautifully knotted there. That has a nice appearance of scalp. I'm excited about this one. And then there's a seam that adjoins the single hand-tied monofilament top. Same deal up here. It's not too thickly threaded. You can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp. This one, you'll see it does extend back into the ear tab. It's beautifully contoured. An extended open nape and the hook and pocket type adjustment system that you typically see on an ESTETICA style. ESTETICA usually fits very large on me, so we're gonna check that out as well. All right, so the fit, it fits me more average, I think, than it does large as typical. I still will have to make an adjustment, but actually this piece is a little more average than I expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and cinch in those adjusters, just a few pockets on either side. Let's take a look at this color, the 61327. So it's a lighter strawberry blonde, and then it's highlighted with a pale baby gold blonde. It's a very warm color, and this one is not rooted. So a pale warm blonde is the overall effect on this color. It's cute. Wow, what a cute little style. So just gonna further rake and flesh out my ideal parting space here, which is typically a little bit left of center. So the front piece here is supposed to be around 9.75 inches. So yeah, that's probably true. I have a 6 to 6.5 inch from hairline to chin. It coils back into the style. On curly styles, it just frames the face beautifully, so it's very forgiving. You can generally find a really nice flattering way of dividing the hair out and around the face. Overall, around 13 to 14 inches, so just a shoulder grazing style. These waves are really softly deconstructed, about the same length all the way around. It weighs about 4.5 ounces. It feels very lightweight, rather, on my head, so I'm really surprised by this one, actually. Now, this one does have a lot of permatease that I'm sensing right off of the bat, so you're going to sense most of your permatease around at that monofilament. Not too much at the crown. When you get a big glob of permatease right behind the monofilament part, it gives it a natural kind of a hump there, and I'm not sensing that at all. So you could take that part all the way back to the hind crown. I always think that gives a nice natural look. Some permatease in the back, but not too heavy. It's a little heavier there at the nape. It's really, really cold here right now, so I'm just gonna hang my head out the threshold so that you can get a look at this color in natural light, and then we'll do some styling. For joining me today for this review of Brooklyn by ESTETICA. You can find it in the links below this video. Everybody take care. We'll see you next time.